this motorhome. I've done this side. It's never been waxed before. It had lots of scratches in it. The scratches are gone now. Sparkles are back. Couldn't see the sparkles before at all. When you have a motorhome with black in it, you have to have it waxed once a year. It's a must. The black really oxidizes badly, and it collects water spots, and the black thins out really bad. So you have to have it waxed. And if you have a motorhome and it sits outside, you absolutely have to have it waxed once a year. This one has a garage, so that's good. This is 4 years old. I've done this side right here. And I've done the back. And I'm finishing this side. Here you can see where I'm putting gel coat on this, and I'm using a buffer. The reason why I use a buffer is to make sure that the gel coat goes inside of the pores of the paint and gets good wax. Now you can see where the wax is here. It's kind of cloudy, and it's going to be waxed from top to bottom on this side, just like the other side. You can see right here, this is the gel coat. Now this black was oxidized a minute ago, but it's not anymore. So this will be brand new after I'm done with it. This is wax, gel coat, should I say, that has been applied by me. And gel coat on the front, and put a nice thick coat of gel coat on the front, because that's where all the bugs land. We don't want any bugs sticking to this. So I'll finish this side now. And you guys have a great day.